walk. I'm in Salt Lake City today. I figured I would start this one from the field as opposed to in the office. Another escalator. I'm pleasantly surprised downtown is packed today, probably due to the holidays. Also, I'm using another camera to film today. This is the GoPro Max as opposed to the Hero 7 that I normally shoot with. One reason I'm excited to shoot with this camera is because it has cameras on both sides. It's a 360 camera, so I can go all selfie mode quite easily and see myself and what I'm recording, and I can also point out into the distance towards what I'm taking photos of. Also, it tilts back more on my chest, so I can angle it up higher, and that was one of the issues I was having with the previous one. But anyway, let's take some photos. Oh, one more thing. I have it on a wider setting. We'll see how that goes. Now let's take some photos. There's so many people, I freaking love this. Yeah, I picked a good time to be downtown. I'm currently listening to the whitest Christmas music I've ever heard in my life. Some sort of crazy spinning globe ornament everyone is remarkably fascinated in. I would disagree, man.
Hey, bless you, bro.
Yeah, you too.
What do you do?
I take photos. I'm a street photographer.
For where?
Street photographer, just for myself, personal.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's cool.
yeah. You having a good holiday season so far?
Actually, no. The thing is, bro, I mean, I love my other homeless people out here, okay?
Yeah.
But dude, don't push your limits.
Okay.
They think, oh, it's holiday. Okay, I'm gonna make millions.
Yeah.
Bro, you're gonna be lucky to make a buck.
Yeah.
I've worked my ass off all my life.
Yeah.
Been thrown from roofs, hit by a car, shot, stabbed, stove by running water, and you know, I can't get nothing out of this bullshit.
Yeah. How long you been out here?
It's been a few years.
Few years?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like, you know, I hate asking people for anything.
Uh-huh. What's your plan, man?
I can't steal, I can't rob.
Yeah, that's good. But what's your plan?
You know, I want to go back to fucking work.
Yeah?
Nobody put me to work no more.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
It's like, dude,
What do you know how to do?
I do every fucking thing.
Yeah.
Law enforcement,
All right.
okay?
Yeah.
Construction,
Uh-huh.
okay? I can do about anything,
Uh-huh.
okay? I don't know if I can drive a train or anything, but I know I can learn.
Yeah.
Quick.
Well, hey,
You
that's
know,
what
I
it's
know
all
how to
about,
drive
man.
a car.
But do you mind if I take your photo, man? I'm a photographer. I like people like you. I think you're interesting.
Put one up like this first.
All right, sounds good. I'll take what you can give me.
Smile on my face.
All right, yeah. All right, hang tight for me. All right. What's that for? Why?
It's not about you or anybody else. It's about fuck off, dude. I've had people tell me, go get a fucking job.
Yeah.
You know what I tell them?
What?
Go get a fucking life.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And they're about 20-some years old.
Uh-huh.
Okay?
Yeah.
And I've worked for 50 fucking years.
Yeah.
You know what a fucking job is.
Now you know a lot of
I
things
got
that.
thrown from the roof and fucking out. You see the height of that building right there?
Okay. Which one? On this side?
Yeah.
That's way up there. You fell
I
that
hit
far?
concrete, bro.
That's not
I've been
okay.
hit by a car.
How are you alive?
I don't know.
I gotta get out of here, man, but
All right, bro.
I hope you figured it out, all right?
Well, I'm
Pleasure to
figuring
talk.
out, and I'm figuring it out, but she ain't my way yet.
Okay.
Get it?
Not quite.
That was a joke.
Okay. I'll think about it.
Hey, bless you, bro.
Yeah, have a good Christmas. Can't quite make this framing work the way I want it to. Cool. There's like a metal piece on the window that my camera keeps locking on. I have to avoid it. There's an ice skating rink over here. I'm going to see if there's anything interesting going on at this ice skating rink. Quite a few people hanging around. That's good. I'll just hang out here and see what happens. All right. Oh, party. Oh my gosh. This is serious. Wow. Hi.
Are you here taking pictures?
Yeah, I'm taking pictures.
Is that a GoPro?
Yeah.
Are you on a YouTube channel?
Yeah. Oh my god, yes I am.
Hey. You are?
Yeah, I'm a street photographer.
You're
Yeah.
Oh my god, hi, person. Hi. What's your YouTube channel called?
It's my name. It's James Red.
James Red?
Like the color, but with 2 D's.
Okay, got it. Okay, I will
Like
look
your
you
hair.
up. I will too.
All right, see ya. Got some followers. It's a successful day. Poor kids just figuring out how to walk and they're putting in a skating rink. Yeah.
I am the angel.
It's time to switch batteries. I am at 2%. I feel like I'm back in New York. Oh man, that would have been a great shot. Oh no, I'm having some weird banding issues. I think it's because I have silent shutter on, weirdly enough. I learned that. I think that Santa shot actually worked. I was concerned about it because everything was moving so fast. I wasn't sure if I was hitting focus on him or somebody else. No idea what I focused on. That was awful. May that never be shown to any human. I just got this crazy nostalgic feeling of being back in New York City. It makes me so happy. Oh, look at these lights. That's fun. Yeah, so the silent shutter is giving me some serious banding issues, where if you look in the trees, you can see that the lights look like they're off across a certain section of the trees. So I'm going to turn that off for now, see if that helps. Now you may be thinking, James, why do you have the silent shutter on normally? And that's because it's quite obtrusive, even though it sounds awesome, like a machine gun. It's quite obtrusive, and I prefer to not disturb people, if at all possible. That's why I normally keep it on, the silent shutter on, so that you can't hear the shutter. Okay, now's a good time to hide in a quiet corner and wrap this one up. It has been a wonderful photo walk, wildly successful. I think I've been out for maybe 2.5, 3 hours. It feels like I've been out for quite a while. It was definitely a longer photo walk, but I was getting a lot of great stuff. There was a lot of people. I wanted to take advantage of it. I didn't want to miss it. Thank you so much for spending some of your time with me today. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions about my process, please feel free to comment below. You can find me on Instagram at JamesTheRed, also on Twitter. Please feel free to engage with me on both of those things. I hope you have a lovely day. Goodbye.